In this video, I show you how to fix keyboard not showing or not working on Android Smart TV. For fixing this, go to your TV setting option, click on settings, then scroll down, then click on apps, then click on see all apps. Now find out your keyboard like Gboard or any other keyboard you are using. You can see that keyboard option is not showing. For showing keyboard, click on show system apps, click on it. You can see that all apps, keyboard is a system app, so find out your keyboard like Gboard or any other keyboard. You can see that Gboard, click on Gboard. First of all, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on clear data, OK. Now go back. Now click on YouTube. Now click on search. You can see that keyboard is showing. Now I hope that this method fixes YouTube keyboard not showing problem on Smart TV, Android TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.